To manually add your custom point data on the map with complete details like description, address, images, videos, or documents, or any details attached, go to Add Location and click on Add Manually. From the drop-down, select your preferred custom location template, or create a new one as per your requirement. For detailed template guidance, you can also refer to our previous tutorial video. You can then add the location in multiple ways. Search the place directly from the search bar, enter the latitude and longitude coordinates, or simply drop a pin manually on the map. Once the location is selected, click on Confirm. You can now fill in all the required details from the left panel, including media files, descriptions, addresses, and documents. After saving, the point will appear on the map, and whenever users click on it, all the attached information will open in the detail box. In the next video, we'll understand how to add polygon data manually in MAPOG.